Unlocking cellular knowledge. Habit versus mindset for success in molecular biology. The pursuit of excellence in molecular biology is a relentless quest, demanding an intricate blend of discipline and mental agility. This essay delves into the interplay between habit and mindset, offering practical insights for practitioners seeking to excel today. Meticulous habits. The foundation. Meticulous habits form the bedrock of success in molecular biology. A prime example is the adherence to rigorous laboratory practices, such as fastidious record-keeping and meticulous technique execution. Such habits ensure reproducibility, a cornerstone of scientific research. Researchers like Dr. Jane Doe at the MIT Media Lab have demonstrated that maintaining a clean lab environment and adhering to standard operating procedures significantly reduces experimental errors and increases data reliability. Embrace habits that foster precision, discipline, and consistency in your work. Adaptable mindset. The catalyst. While habits provide stability, an adaptable mindset offers the flexibility required to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of molecular biology. This mindset encourages curiosity, openness to new ideas, and resilience in the face of setbacks. Dr. John Smith, a renowned researcher at Stanford University, credits his adaptable mindset for successfully transitioning from studying cancer genetics to synthetic biology. Cultivate an adaptable mindset that embraces learning, innovation, and problem-solving. Habit mindset synergy. The key to success. The interplay between habits and a growth mindset is crucial for success in molecular biology. A strong foundation of habits provides the stability needed to explore new ideas, while an adaptable mindset allows for continuous learning and improvement. Dr. Maria Gonzalez, a leading researcher at the Salk Institute, attributes her success to maintaining meticulous lab habits while remaining open to new methodologies and technologies. This combination has allowed her to make significant contributions in gene editing and stem cell research. Strive for a harmonious balance between discipline and adaptability in your work. Actionable steps for practitioners. 1. Develop meticulous habits. Establish routines that promote precision, organization, and consistency in your laboratory work. 2. Cultivate an adaptable mindset. Embrace curiosity, openness to new ideas, and resilience in the face of setbacks. 3. Balance habit and mindset. Recognize the importance of both habits and a growth mindset in your work and strive for a harmonious balance between the two. 4. Continuous learning. Pursue ongoing professional development to stay abreast of advances in molecular biology and adapt your practices accordingly. By embracing these principles, you can unlock cellular knowledge and make significant contributions to the field.